Watch these sailboats take shape. They're being 3D printed from ABS plastic. Lego Man wants to go for a race with his friends. Which color do you think will win? Ready, set, go? Looks like yellow is pulling ahead. Look out for the sea monsters. It's a tight race between yellow, blue, and green. Oh no, pink got snagged in the grass. Now it's a 3-boat race. Green is drifting too close to shore. The sea monsters are never far behind. Where are you going, Green? Looks like the green boat is out of the race. Now it's between yellow and blue. Blue just caught a nice gust of wind. Who put a pipe in the middle of the race course? Look at Blue go. Yellow should take notes on obstacle navigation. Blue is the winner. Look at that proud Lego smile.